The Riboy District Sports Association today organized a gathering to extend best wishes to 32 male and female football players from Riboy who will participate in Meghalaya Games 2025. During the event, blessings and well wishes were conveyed by Ferdinand Karkamni, KSU President of the North Khasi Hills Unit, in the presence of Louis Starr, President of FKJGP North Khasi Hills District, RB Shadab, President of RBDSA, Rankin Sai, Advisor of RBDSA, along with other officials, members of RBDSA, and other dignitaries. In their speeches, they encouraged the players, offering words of motivation and advice to perform well and bring pride and honor to the entire district.
Fokus kita, kajian lain seperti itu, pemenang dan menjadi syawal pemenang.